Well, welcome to Mrs. Dunbar's first VCast, and the V, like the letter V, stands for video. So this is my first VCast on how to multiply double digits. Now, we're going to go to the whiteboard, and I'm going to call one up right now. Let's see if I can do this. Yes, I can. So, we're going to talk about how to multiply double digits. So let's say, for example, your problem is 25 times 44. Two sets of double digits. Sometimes students do a little freak out when they see something like this, but don't panic. The first thing we're going to do is we're just going to look at the first four, the four that's in the ones place. And all we're going to do is multiply 25 times that 4. We're going to totally ignore that other 4. So 25 times 4, notice this 4 is in the ones place. So 4 times 5, that's 20, so I put down the 0 and I carry the 2. 4 times 2, well, that's 8, plus the 2, that's 10. Now I have finished up multiplying by this 4 in the ones place. I don't have to worry about it anymore. And because I'm not worrying about the ones place anymore, I'm going to skip down a line and put an X, or some people put a 0. Either way it works, because we're not multiplying by the 4 that's over there in the ones place. Now we're moving over to the tens place, to the 4 that's over here. And that's why when I start my multiplying, I have to skip a line and start putting my answers starting in the tens place. 4 times 5 again is 20. Carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus another 2. That makes 10. Then, of course, all I have to do is add it all up. Always starting at the ones place and working my way over. So my answer to 25 times 44 is 1,100, or 1,100 if you wanted to put it that way. So that's it. Easy as pie. So again, when you're multiplying those double digits, just remember, start with the ones place first, and then skip down a line, put a 0 or an X in the ones place, and then start your next operation in the tens place because you're multiplying by the number in the tens place. The one question I'm going to leave with you is, if I had another number, if I had, I don't know, let's say if I had a 6 over here, what would it look like down here at the bottom? What would I have to do to multiply by 3 numbers on the bottom? We'll talk about that next time. Good job, everybody. Now get to work.